Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Fenix 8. First, please ensure your Fenix 8 watch is charged, ideally above 50%, which helps prevent interruptions during setup. Next, you will need the Garmin Connect app installed on your smartphone. Check your phone's app store if you do not have it yet. Finally, confirm that your phone's Bluetooth is active and ready to search for new devices. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection. Now, let us put your Fenix 8 into pairing mode. Press and hold the up or menu button located on the watch's left side for about 2 seconds to open the main menu. Scroll down through the options until you find and select Phone. From there, simply choose Pair Phone. Your Fenix 8 will then display a clear message, indicating it is actively searching for a connection and is ready to be discovered by your smartphone. This step is crucial for the next phase. With your Fenix 8 now in pairing mode, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Look for the device's icon, often resembling a watch or 3 lines, and tap on it. Next, select Add Device or the plus sign, then carefully choose Fenix 8 from the list of available Garmin devices. The app will then actively begin searching for your watch. It might take a few moments for your phone to detect the Fenix 8, so please be patient during this step. Once your phone detects the Fenix 8, a crucial 6-digit passcode will appear on your watch screen. You must accurately enter this exact code into the corresponding prompt within your Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. After entering the code, both your watch and your phone will display a confirmation request. Make sure to accept the pairing on both devices. This final acceptance confirms the secure Bluetooth connection between your Fenix 8 and your smartphone, completing the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.